What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on a Beetle again because we noticed that we have some faults inside the door lock, which result that the window won't go down and we cannot lock the car anymore with the key fob. This is a very common issue with the VAG models like the Volkswagen Beetle, but this is also the same issue on the Volkswagen Golf, on the Skoda Fabia and all the other VAG models. So stay tuned. So let's get our hands dirty and let's change out those door locks. Okay, so remove the door panel. What we're going to do now is unpack the new door lock, but we also need to transfer some parts from the old door lock to the new door lock. So we swapped out the parts, now it's time to install them back in the door. That's one side done. Now heading over to the driver's side. On this side there's a bit more wiring, but don't let that hold you back because it's exactly the same as the other side. And also on this side we need to swap out parts from the old to the new module. So to the driver's side we need to make a small modification, because as you can see we got this bracket here which is not available on aftermarket ones. There are some holes where you put the bracket in, so we just need to remove this thing and insert it in the new unit. like a champ again. Okay, so the door locks are working like a champ again. So this will be the end of this video. Guys, if you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. As always, thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in the next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.